Okay, so in last class, what we discussed about the like a sort completely. What is the custom sort? If you are going to do the sorting for the multiple column together, like let's say by name, and apart from that name, the by Sally also you want to do, then we have to go for what? Custom sorting, correct? So already we discussed about it, and then after that we came to the filter, and in filter I explain about the like related to the name, what all are there.
Okay.
That one I explained related to the date. So these all options are there. Either you can select from here, or if you want like a specific range, a specific criteria, then you should go for this one. Correct or not? So already I explained about it. And if that is the related to the date, then we can go with this many options are available. If you are not happy with this, then you can pick any one of these. Let's say you want to see those data which are 18 to 19, from 2018 to 2019. So there is
Between.
no options available. Last year is there, last month is there, this year is there, this next month, next year is there, but there's no options for the last 2 years, last 3 years. There's no options. So for that case, we have to go for this one only. Okay, these four, three are there, so we can use any one of these. So already I demonstrated study, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Related to the text. So that one also I have finished. Begin with
These programs which are there, you teach these
mm,
programs.
mm-hmm.
In
What
this table, we have some programs. No?
in
Basic
table?
computer training, payroll. You take these trainings.
I didn't get.
No, in the Excel अभी यहाँ पे जो टेबल पे है ना,
Mm,
प्रोग्राम लिखा हुआ.
mm, mm.
These you teach all these
No,
trainings.
no, no.
You give all these
Actually, I
ones.
can take many programs. Okay, like I'm taking the basic computer, where Word, PPT, and Excel for the
Okay, okay.
for the new guy. And if they are working professional and they are looking something like a top level things like you are not here for the basic computer. You are here for the Excel and VBA, right? Top level contents you are looking. So like that also I'm taking VBA, Excel and VBA. Apart from that, I'm taking the SQL program, Core Java,
Okay, okay.
software testing program, manual Selenium and Core Java. And apart from that, I'm thinking to start the Python soon. I'm
Okay,
working
okay.
on it. I'm
You,
going to
you
start.
teach big data. Big data. Do you teach?
No, big data I'm not going to. But the
Okay, okay.
part of big data is two things are there, which is the big data part. One is the SQL and another one is the core Java. Without these two, you can't go for the big data. You should
अच्छा,
have a SQL knowledge, then only you can go for the big data. That is the one. Second thing, you should have a programming language, any programming language. But for big data, must is core Java. So without core, because in
okay.
big data they are going to use the programming language. It will be core Java. So you should have a basic knowledge about the programming language, core Java programming language. Correct?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I
So,
am not from a computer science background. Can I do Java and I mean,
yeah,
can
of
I learn
course,
programming
yes.
language?
Yeah, of course, yes. Anyone can learn. Okay, the thing
Okay,
is,
will it be
whoever
difficult?
have an interest in math and logical things, then they can. So you can realize by yourself when we will do the BBA class. What? You
Okay,
can
okay,
realize whether you can go for the programming language or not, because BBA also a programming language. Okay, in that you
yeah,
are
yeah,
going to
okay,
build the coding. You are going to do the build the functionality of the pieces. What all are there, user form and all, right? So Java also is similar to that programming language. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
what all things are there in VB? You can say 30% contents of the core Java. 30%. I'm not telling you each and everything,
Full.
but
Okay,
yeah,
30%.
30% contents from the core Java. So that all are there. Once we'll start the VB, on that time you can realize. Okay,
Okay,
whether you can manage the core Java or not. Both are same one only. VB and Core Java, C Sharp, C language, C++, Python, Core Python, all are same programming language. Only way of
okay,
writing, that is the difference. In VB, I will explain you bit. Okay, about the Core Java
ठीक
also.
है, ठीक
Okay,
है, ठीक
so
है.
let's
Yeah,
start.
yeah, sure.
So related to the text, already we discussed about it. Okay, if you are not going to pick any one of these, Then if you are
And
looking something specific requirement, what is specific requirement? Let's say it should start with S and it should start with A. Then what you are going to do? So you are going to pick any one of these begin with, because you
mhm,
want to start with A and start with what? S. So begin with you can do here A, and here you can choose the begin with another one begin with what? Begin with
mhm,
S, but make sure that you are using the logical operator here. So what it should
mhm.
be? It should be
Should be
and
or.
and or. Yeah, it should be
Or.
on. So make sure that about it, right? Otherwise you will get an error. Not error, you
Mhm,
will not get any data. Just see, those record are appearing which are start with S or A. Correct? So this is the one.
mhm.
And one more option is there contains with. What? Contains
Contains.
with. Okay, yeah. Contains with. If you are going for the contents with, what it means, let's say you want to see those record which surname is something Reddy or which surname is Singh or like something like that. So I want to see that contains with where Singh is available in that filter. So let me click on OK. So there is only one record which have Singh. Not only the word wide, even you can search like a buz buzz also you can search. Let's see if I'm going to search.
Mhm,
Let me remove this one. So many are there. Out of this, like Pavitra is there, Ambuz is there, okay, and Kalandar is there, Kalandar is there, Saurabh is there. Let's say in Saurabh RABH you want, correct? You want to see those record which contain RABH. Okay, what RABH? We aware about it in Saurabh is there. Maybe chances is there in some other places also it should be. It can be correct. So let's see contains with what?
RABH.
RABH. So let's see whether it's going to how many are there. There are only four records which contains this word RABH. Clear?
Mhm. Okay.
So
Yep.
already we discussed about it yesterday itself. So next
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
is the what? Like related to the text, date, and numbers we have finished. So is there
Yeah.
any
Data.
doubt?
No. No. No.
No. So for the number also it will appear the same things between less than, greater than, or is below or is, and है ना, above or is, that
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
options are
Mhm,
available. You can pick any one
mhm.
of these. So
Okay.
let me go for the next label. Okay, what is the next? So this is the like a filter options which got finished, basic to advanced, and few things is there. Which one I'm going to tell you. Let's say
Okay. Yep.
here you let's say you have a data. What you have this data, and your boss is asking, okay, do one thing, Saurabh. Okay, just forward those data which are from the west region. I want to see those data which are from the west region. How you are going to do? Can you tell me?
Filter it.
Yeah. So how to apply the filter? What is the shortcut?
Control Shift L.
Yeah. Control Shift L. Then how you are going to do the filter? Here you are going to apply the filter. What? West region. It should
West.
be because he is asking west region. And then what next you are going to do? You are going to copy this record like this. Correct or not?
Mhm.
And you are going to send to your boss. Let's say your boss is here. He's telling, okay, yeah. So you did your job, right?
Mhm.
You
Yep.
filtered and you copy those record and you share to your boss. His boss, this is the record which you are looking from the west region. This many records are available. So
Okay.
we forwarded to our boss, correct? And let's say
Mhm.
later he is telling, okay, I don't want for this. I want something uh, east region. I want to do for the east region. Then how we can do for the east region? Same again we have to do here. We have to go. We have to unselect and we have to select the list east. Okay. So from the
Mhm.
east region there are two records. Then you are going to do what? You are going to copy and you are going to paste here itself. Okay. Here. Okay. From the east records there are two records.
Okay.
Like that you are going to share to your boss. Okay. Again you are
Mhm.
going to remove the filter. So this many columns, this many rows got copied, right? Just see, three rows got copied. Correct or not? Either you
Yeah.
can copy one by one, or you can do the filter and then you can copy and you can paste it here. This is the way to do. But I am telling you, actually Excel realize this work, realize this activity, and behalf of this they have built one function. So what function that is? That is the advanced filter. What? Advanced filter. Filter already we have finished. remove filter and है ना apply the filter. Correct. This is the filter we
Mm-hmm.
can apply, and already I explained about this all the options whatever are there. Now I'm talking about the advanced filter. What is the advanced filter and how we are going to work on it? So in advanced filter, what we are going to do, whatever activity we did now, like we did the filter, and behalf of any reason we was going to do the filter, and whatever records are coming based on that filter we are going to copy and we are going to paste somewhere else. So same activity
Okay.
if you want to do, so we can use with the advanced filter. So we have to click on it. It's asking three things. Where is your data? Here. List range. So this is my list range. Okay. And second things, what your criteria? Where is your criteria? What exactly you are looking? So I'm looking at this is the one. West region. Okay.
Region West.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's telling you, okay, filter the list in place. Wherever it is there, you want to do the filter there itself.
There only.
No,
Yeah, yeah.
no, not there only, because your boss is asking, okay, just share. So you
Okay,
are going to
okay,
share
okay.
somewhere else.
Separately, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So separately I want. So I'm not going to demonstrate. If you are going to select this one, it will do the filter there itself. Just see, it's not have done the filter. It's got hidden those records which are from the different region, right? And those are appearing which are from the what? Which region only. Correct. This
Mm-hmm.
is the one.
Yeah.
So what I did control Z and do only I did, and now I don't want to do at the same place. So this is our criteria, reason, and where you want to do. I don't want to do at this that place. I want to do here itself. This is the one, and we have to click on OK. Let's see which region is coming or not. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
it's coming. Is there any doubt?
Nope, nope.
Yeah. Yeah. One thing, what you should take care about it if you are going to do. One thing you have to take care about it. Make sure that you are going to select with the heading, okay, column heading first.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
second things, whatever column heading is there, you have to specify that column heading here also. Let's say you mention by mistake regions. What? By mistake regions you have mentioned, and here you have a region area. So now I am going to do what? Advanced filter. It's not asking your data should have a header. Is there any record where it's asking your
Yes,
data
yes,
should have a header? No. There's no
yes.
options.
Okay, okay. There is no option. Okay.
Yeah. To make
Mm.
sure that heading it should be there.
Included.
How?
Yeah.
Yeah. How is going to identify behalf of the heading only. First row is going to identify what you are looking inside it. This is the one.
Mm-hmm.
Second, criteria is also perfect one, no problem at all. I'm looking this criteria and copy to something different location where I want to do at that location itself. Okay, so let me click on OK. So what will happen? Whatever range we have defined in that, whatever like a column heading are there. So based on
Mm-hmm.
that column heading is going to check in criteria. In criteria, whatever criteria column heading is there is going to identify based on that. So here is going to find is getting what regions, and is going to search in this range, like a column heading in this range column heading. So whether is there reasons or not. So there is no reasons. So what is going to throw? Is not going to give any data to this. Just see, heading only came, but there is no records by name of what reasons, because reasons is going to search reasons in this heading. If it's there, then only is going to do the filter. Got it?
Correct. It's only region. Yeah.
Yeah, only reason. So this is the one. Okay, which you should take care about it. And second things, we are going for once again. What you have to take care about it. If it's the reason, let me remove. If it's reason, and then waste, and instead of waste, we are making waste something like this. Okay, by mistake. So what is going to do? Reason is there. Okay, both are reason only, but it's
Mm-hmm.
going to see this value whether it's available or not in this. So there is no filter also. So why is not going to do the any record? With by name of which there is no records.
Mm-hmm.
Correct or not? So this is the one.
Correct. Yeah.
So already I demonstrated. This is the node point which you should take care about it. The column heading and that range column heading and that criteria range column heading should be same. Then only is going to identify. Otherwise not going to identify. Clear? Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the way to do. Then right?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. And the next thing is we are going to talk about it here. Now, if you want to talk about like a both uh, from the Midwest, okay, from the Midwest, then how you are going to do? Very simple. We have to what? We have to go to the advanced, and then we have to select, and criteria we have to extend. Instead of 12,
Hmm.
it should be 11, it should be 12, J12, correct or not?
Hmm.
Yeah, we extend,
Okay.
right? Let me
Yeah. Yeah.
select
Makes
it
sense.
here. From the region, these two area we
Midwest
want,
also.
and where we want, I want to this place, same place. We have to click on it. Just see, this many
Hmm.
are there, which are from the west and midwest region. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so let me go for the next. What I want, how you are going to do the manually, sir? You have to tell. So from the from the west region, I want to see only the Kalpes. What?
Only the Kalpesh.
I want to see the Kalpesh from the
Okay. You can go
west
to
region.
advanced filter.
Yeah, we have to go to the advanced filter. No, normally how you are going to do?
No,
I
in
want
the.
to see from the west region. Okay, like how many records are there by name of Kalpesh from west region? How many records
So
are
we can
there?
do a filter.
Normally,
We can
how you are
apply
going to
filter.
do? We can do the filter. Okay.
Control Shift L and
Uh-huh.
region first. First will filter
Yeah.
the region.
Yes, exactly. So that is
Yes.
the east region. Okay. West region. I'm sorry.
West region.
West region. Okay. Next,
And then we can go to Kalpesh.
Kalpesh. So there are two filters. One is by name of Kalpesh and second one is by name of what? The West region.
West.
So first we are going to do what? We are going to do what? Like with region wise, and second we are going to do for the name wise. Let's say I am going
Hmm.
to add this. Make sure that this name it should be same. Don't say here name. It's not going to identify. If you are going to
Sales per.
see, yeah, it should be salesperson. Okay, sales
Hmm.
per. Okay, it should be the same one only. Then only is going to work. So let's say Kalpesh. What? Kalpesh.
Kalpesh.
This is the record which I am looking now. So what when you are going to do the advanced filter, same way we have to do. Only what we have to make the changes. Here we have to change. Okay, this is the one which record we are looking, and we want to do the to this location perfectly, not an issue. So just see, from the west region there is only one record by name of Kalpesh. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. There are three records from the west region: Sonu, Kalpesh, and Shamlal. Correct or not?
Okay.
Now I want not for the Kalpesh, I want for the Sonu. What? For the Sonu.
So no.
Yeah, exactly. Sonu is there. Yes, is there. So I'm going to do for this person. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to do for this person. So how we are going to do? We have to click on it, and everything are same only, not required to pick, make any changes.
Hmm.
Only we have to do changes there itself. And now is doing for the Sonu, correct? So from West
Okay.
region there is only one record by name of Sonu. Then right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the one. And the next one is what? The next one is, let's say you want to do from the West region two-person, Sonu and Kalpesh. What? Kalpesh.
Sonu and Kalpesh.
Kalpesh. Okay. So we mention it here, Kalpesh only. And now we are going to do what? Advanced filter. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
Second level. Okay.
Yeah. So what? Which region only we are going to region wise, or what we are going to do the filter? Which region only we are going to do
First West
filter?
region. Yeah.
Yes. And out of that way, west region, then how is going to do? For the name wise, he is going to do. Okay. So just see
Hmm.
here what going to happen. It's not going to give the correct result. Why? I will tell you. So this is the one we have to extend. Instead of this, we have to make it 12. Correct or not? It should be K12.
Yeah.
Correct? This is the one, and where we want to do?
Okay.
We want to do that place itself. There are three records. What? West region Sonu is there, West region Kalpesh is there, but Midwest also Kalpesh are there. Okay? So
Hmm.
You observe, but it should not come Midwest. Why it's coming? Because these culprits are not restricted from which region it should come. So it's not going to
Okay.
identify whatever we was thinking. Okay, it will do the filter based on the region, and then whatever name it will come based on that name is going to identify. No, it's not going to identify that way.
Okay,
So
so it
we
is not
have to,
second level, it is. Okay.
yeah. So we have to tell culprits it should not be from any region. Here we have not mentioned. So what is going to identify is going to understand culprits
Culprits from any
from
region.
any region. So there are
Okay.
two culprits which are from the Midwest and West only. So if you want to restrict, so you have to do here also. Then you have to apply. What I'm going
Okay.
to apply now, the same things only, and we are going to test. The see there are two records. This should be from for the West region. Correct?
Mhm.
Hope you understood, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. So this is the one. So West region, this all the records are coming. Then right?
Hmm.
So this one already I finished here. West region, Kalpesh and Raju. Okay. The next one is what? Even we can do those record I want to see which are less than 5,000. Both is simple. It's very easy. What we have to do only we have to tell here. COG it should
Number
not be
filter. Okay.
COG only. It should be COGS. Already I
Okay.
informed you, right? And here we have to give the criteria. Criteria is less than 5,000. We can do or not in filter
Yeah, yeah.
options. How we can do
Filter
in
only.
filter options? We have to apply the filter, and then we should go
Number
here,
filter.
and then we have to go to the advanced filter. In this we are going to get what? Less than these options.
Less than.
Correct or not? So less than what?
Yeah,
Less
yeah.
than 5,000. So how we can do in that advanced filter? That's very easy. Same only we have to tell like this. So it should be advanced filter.
Okay.
So now the thing is, if you want to do the filter based on like a some less than greater than, we have to specify here. So let's say if you are going to do less than 5,000, so that's how we are going to do. Simple. We have to go to the advanced filter and the criteria, and criteria is this. Criteria is this less than only, and where we want to do, I want to do there itself. The see is giving those records which are less than 5,000. Is it correct or not? Is it correct, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes. So those records are appearing which
Less
are
than 5,000.
less than 5,000. Okay. And second things, let me go with the something next. So don't try. If you are thinking that okay, it will work all together like between also it can work. So between it's very difficult. It's not going to work. Maybe we can try. Let's say if you are going to try those records which are between 2,000 to 5,000. How you are going to write? 2,000 to 5,000.
Between.
Maybe I'm not sure that how we can do. Just I'm going to try. So one more COG we have to get it here, and here we have to tell greater than 2,000, greater than 2,000, and less than what? This is the one. Let's see whether it's going to accept or not. I'm not aware about it. But between I tried, it was not working. There's no way to write here. There's no way to write here. So that's the reason I'm writing it here separately. So let's see here. The range criteria, we have to make it change. Okay. The criteria, it should be what? It should be our criteria. It should be like this.
Mhm.
This is our criteria.
Yeah.
And where we want to paste, we want to paste to different location where here itself we want to paste. Click on OK. Okay, so oh awesome, it's working fine perfectly. If you want to see between 2,000 to 5,000 in between COG, you have to tell like this. So two things we did for the COG. One thing,
Mhm.
okay, greater than it should be, and second one is less than. So like that we can
Less
apply.
than.
So it came in my mind, okay, how we can do for the between, okay, in advanced filter. So this is the one. And if your boss is asking, okay, I want from the 1,000 to 5,000, how many record are there? So 6,600 to 562, this all record it will come. So let's do it here,
Mhm.
and we have to copy all the things. It's not happen. Let me see. This is the one, and where we want to do the criteria is perfect one, and for this one where we want to paste. So here only I want to paste. We have to remove first this option, and then we have to select where we want to do. We want to do here itself. Okay, and we have to click on OK. So it's not going to work.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. So I tried a lot. It was not working. So let me try once again whether it's going to work or not. Here greater than 1000, okay, and then less than 5000. And where we want to do here itself, okay, criteria also is going to
Mhm.
match. We have to click on OK. This is given only 1000. Maybe some problem is there. Greater than 1000, choose it, and then it should do.
It is correct, correct. Only only
It's the
one,
correct one
3000 is
only.
there, no greater than 1,000.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Greater than, I thought, okay, it will come this one also. Okay, we can make it
Let's try
500,
500.
greater than 500.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's see how
yeah,
many
yeah.
records are coming. Yeah. So this is the way, okay, to do, and we have to click on it. Yeah, awesome,
Yeah,
perfectly
it's
fine.
working.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, so
Mhm.
between also we can apply less than, greater than, that all we can apply. So hope you understood, right? Understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is the one, okay, for the advanced filter. And one more, date also less than, greater than, similar, only we have to specify the date. If you want to see the date filter advanced, okay, date filter, then you have to specify the date here. And same things you can apply between, greater than, less than, that all you can apply for the date also, correct?
Mhm.
Yeah, less than 25, 25th August, okay, 2019. So whatever records are there, it will come here. So this many records are there which will appear here. Correct or not? 2023.
Mhm.
And if you want to make it the between, so how we are going to do? As I explain you, so what we should do here, date one only, less than this one, we have to tell, not less than, it should be greater than what? So greater than 22, or
Okay.
equals we can do, if between we want, so it should be equals, and less than equals what? 20, 25. So between it should come. So 22, 23, 24, and 25. This many records it will come. 22, 23, 24, 25. Correct? Let's try. I'm going to do here. Advanced filter, we have to customize it. Correct? So we have to go J to K. Correct or not? K thing. And then what is your
J
criteria?
to K, yeah,
That
correct. Yeah.
range. Now we are going to do. Just see, those records are coming. 22,
Mhm.
23. Even
Yeah, it
why
is
it's
coming.
coming? No, no, 28. This also are coming. So it should not come.
28 is also coming.
Yeah, from
It is correct. No, you
2023.
have chosen 2020. No, there.
No,
It's correct.
22. So it should start from 22. And less than 25, na? Sir, less than 25. Less than
Yeah.
equals to. So that record it should come less
So
than.
they.
Yeah, this record should
So
not
you
come.
have chosen 2020. No, there. This is 19.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's okay, 19. Okay, now we can apply here. Okay, the thing is, one class also is going on parallelly, right?
Yeah.
The
No
exposing
problem.
class. So
Now
they
it is
are
working.
three.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are three because that class is happening through online. So I'm a concerned person to take
Okay.
care
Okay.
about it. Okay. So this is the one. It's
Okay. Okay.
working fine, right? It's working fine, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is the
Yeah, yeah,
advanced
it is
filter.
working fine.
Okay. To filter, we have done it completely. Nothing is there related to the date. Also, I finish it off, and make sure that the heading part should be the same, then only is going to work. And if you want like a more than one, so you can pass one more than one also, but it should be clear what you want to do. Between, if you are going to apply,
Okay.
it should be between today date to last date. Is it possible? Between today date to last date, how is possible? Back if you are telling to, okay, between 9 to 5, is it possible 9 to 5?
Mm,
So
mm.
5
No,
to
not this
9
one.
we can do greater than 5
5 to 9. Yeah,
and
correct.
less than 9. Correct or not? Then it will understand. And if you are going to
Mhm,
tell, okay, less than 9, okay, or greater than 9 and less than 5, it's not going to understand. When you are going to use the
mhm,
logical things, so you should aware about it. What going to happen. Then right?
correct.
So this is the one.
Mhm,
And the next one is what? Okay, so I'm done here. Okay, for the like advanced filter and all. Okay, and one more thing here. The thing is, let's say if you want to do the filter, your boss is telling you, no, I want this record not to this place. I want to do in different seat. You have to prepare in different seat. So how you are going to do? How you are going to do in different seat? So that's very
uh,
easy. So we have to go to
differentiate.
the advanced filter, and
Mhm,
where is the area? Here only. What is criteria? This is the criteria, and we have to pick here. Correct?
mhm,
Where? So wherever you want to do the filter, I want to do here itself. Correct or not?
mhm,
But make sure that is not going to work. So what you have to do for that, here error is giving. Okay, you can you can only copy filter data to the active set. What? To the active set.
okay, to the active
Okay.
sheet. Okay.
Yeah. So we can do here itself. We can't do somewhere else. So but something is hidden inside to absorb. To the active
Mhm,
set, we can do the filter data. Okay, copy the filter data to the active set. Filter data we can copy to the active set. So I'm going to active set this one only. Now I'm going to do the filter data. Correct or not? Yes, we can
mhm.
do. So from here, where is the data? Data is here.
Okay, that one is.
Where is the data? Data is here. Where is the criteria? My criteria is here itself.
Mhm,
This is my criteria. Okay, where you want to do the filter? I want to do the filter to this location, not to something different. I want to do to this location. Perfectly fine, no problem at all. This is coming. So you have to do the filter from here, advanced filter from here. Done?
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the one. Make the note about it, about whatever things, and I covered for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
parallelly you are making note, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Making note.
Okay.
Shortcuts and all making them.
Yeah, yeah, please. Okay. So this is the one for the what? Uh, for the sorting and filter.
Sort and
Now we are
filter.
going for the next topic is like a table. What is the table? And it's required 1.5 hour to finish it off, the table part. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 hour we have.